Tonight, this afternoon after work, I'm going to Leah's house kasi surprise namin siya sa kanyang late birthday party. So, sige, tara, let's go. So, hello everyone. Mapunta na kami sa bahay ni Leah. Hinintay ko lang si Pinipip si Ate Ima, tapos punta na kami doon. So, sana surprise sa kanyang birthday party. So, hello, nandito na kami lahat. Late na pala kami. Hello, welcome. Ito, where's the birthday celebrant? Naman na celebrant. It's a joke. Hello.
So this is the day that we invite ourselves to Leah's house. Me and Cherry plan and organize a birthday dinner for our bestie Leah.
Happy birthday to you.
This is a big surprise.
Are you surprised?
That is Cherry organized.
Me and Cherry organized this birthday dinner for our bestie Leah. Hi bestie, hope you love it what we did to your birthday and sorry for invading your property. We love you.
Hello. Hi. Yay. Hello. Hi. Oh.
Joke now.
Hello. Hi, where's Mel? Oh, there. Hi. Happy birthday to you. Here's our food. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's a punishment, huh? Yes, that's why. Yeah. Just don't reheat it. Don't reheat it. I'll just mix it up.
It's too bloody hot. Smell good. The rice.
There's a lot of flowers for the birthday celebrant. Happy birthday to you. To me. So, this is a surprise. Biglang tayo sa sulong, no? Sulong mga kapatid. So, let's eating our dinner now. Birthday dinner. Ina-imbita namin yung sarili namin. We're not invited, but we're just coming here. Yeah, wherever you like. Let's say 8. Happy hooray. I see you hurt yourself because you have some lunch now, dinner.
No. You're not
Happy birthday. So we're eating now. Happy birthday. Again.
Nivea naturally good face clean.
So ikutin ko lang yung hello. Enjoy. Enjoy your dinner. And the bestie over there. And let's go back to the first group. So, kakain muna kami, ha? Let's eat.
1 hour later.
Oh, we're done our dinner. So, thank you very much. So,
Nag-aaway-away na sa paghugas. They're fighting over with the dishes. I will be the one to dry. I like to dry.
Saan na? Yeah. Can you give me some clothes? I'm sitting here. No, it's okay.
Dessert. Yummy. Guys, don't my YouTube channel. Taga-upal, manood na kayo ng YouTube channel. So we're gonna sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, lovely.
That's our dessert. Yeah.
Okay.
What will we sing now?
Where is that? We'll take a picture. Every year. Cool. Ano ba?
Maliga. Gaya. Ano ba? What is that? Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan, Batis sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leia. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Blow, make up. He doesn't know.
You're gonna learn that in Australia.
Okay. Give us the lyrics. Whoa! Yay!
I just want to say thank you to everyone who made the effort.
Good plate.
Thank you.
But thank you guys.
You're welcome. Hope you love it, hon. Happy birthday to you. Ready? Huh? So, para siyang bilo-bilo, dahil. Bilo-bilo. Bello. Whoa.
I need to make our. Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
We're done with our lunch, our birthday lunch, and it's time for takeaway or bring house. Oh, hala. Party. You didn't buy anything, please? Oh, yun lang. Dessert eh. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for doing this.
So we will care and love. Bye everyone. Thank you very much. We're going home. Thank you very much.
I know.
Thank
No,
you,
because
Han.
this one is open. I saw Ryan.
That's why if you didn't see it, it's good day. Thank you, Han. Happy birthday again. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. I had my shower. Thank you.